This is from 2011, and they changed the color so it doesn't look quite so daunting. Let me see if I can make this bigger. Thanks, Tori. Again, it's what was black in the other one. So this says, let me see if I can make this bigger. So over 35%, so more than 1 in 3. Oh, wait, let's see. We don't have any yet. Okay, and then, so that's 2011, 2012, 2013, over almost, so greater than 35% in those 2 states. 3 states now. Utah's still about 1 in 4. 1 in 4. So that is the latest one that I was able to find is 2014. So from in a 20-year span, we went from, as a country, we went from a little bit of obesity to it's an epidemic. So if you're a scientist, you were an astute scientist looking at this from a bird's eye view, from like the blimp view going, here's what's going on. What would you conclude?
Processed food.
I think physical activity as well. Nowadays, most people sit all day long.
Do you think it's a lot different than 1980? Like this big of a difference since 1980? Do you think so?
The technology that came through, so many more jobs are populated that way. And a lot of people don't want to accept the blue-collar jobs that are out there. And so, they're given to those that will take them.
Okay. Good. What else would you conclude?
I think it goes a little earlier than that because, again, back in the 80s, when you and I went to school, everybody took PE all 4 years of high school. You didn't graduate without it. You had to participate. There were no video games. Nobody had electronic anything. So we started from the time we got up until the time the day was done moving.
Okay.
And we didn't have processed food.
Okay, so we've had 2 comments about the activity. No question about that. And I don't think there's any argument about that. Let's kind of switch over to the food side. What has changed in the last 30 years, or what is it that we're doing in the last 30 years that might be contributing to this? And I say might because there's no one-to-one, this is causing this, for sure.
I would say portion sizes have gotten a lot bigger.
So like a double hamburger is like half a pound of, right? Good.
Well, and we live in a busier society, whereas where I was a kid, like my mom would make meals every night and we would sit down together as a family, whereas now society's super busy, so a lot of moms I know, they're rushing through the drive-in to get something to eat on the way home because we've got to get to the next soccer game or the next ballet performance.
So you said bigger portion sizes. What else is inherent in the faster food kinds of food?
There's a lot of unnecessary chemicals in the food.
Tons of unnecessary chemicals that probably weren't there 30 years ago, I'm guessing.
Yeah, I was going to say, kind of going with that is gardening and like growing your own food and having your own crops. Like you're getting healthier, better quality food versus now goes back to the convenience and time. A lot of people don't have the time or the luxury to have a garden, so everything is being store-bought or frozen and has like all these preservatives.
Yeah. I think it's so hilarious when you say, and I'm not being hilarious at you, but when you say, now we don't have the time, yet everything that we've done has been, in the last 30 years technologically, is to make it so we have more time. You know what I mean? Dishwashers, clothes washers, everything. I mean, we think we don't have as much time, But when you analyze things accurately, holy cow, we really do. But we write it off as, well, I was busy on technology, checking who was doing what that day in Ireland or something.
Somebody else's garden, not my own.
Yeah, exactly.